Hello everyone, we inform that from now Smart and Skill channel is starting to broadcast in English as far as we have subscribers all around the world. For those Russian and colleagues from CIS countries who don't speak English, we soon introduce subtitles, so don't worry. We highly appreciate our subscribers and those who ask to observe some stocks, and finally Smart and Skilled introduces new feature. We are observing stock and crypto market. First three subscribers asked us to observe several instruments. So today we would like to start from observing Novatek and Gazprom listing at London Exchange and such a giant as Tesla. Please write down the instruments of stock or crypto market you would like us to analyze and observe. Let's get started. Novatek. From the very beginning, when the company firstly went IPO, we see the absolute bully character of growth with weak corrections. With the most significant started in November 19 and ended in March, November 19. Here we see the most interesting thing. This shadow of monthly candle show us the loading of huge positions, so-called market makers who were buying out positions for a long time. See the volume. It's incredible. Many traders sold, but they were wrong as far as they went against the huge capitals loading positions for the long. On the other hand, many funds and individual traders who went long too early lost their money because their stop losses were executed, so-called stop loss hunting. This is how huge capital load their positions before a great movement. And that was at the end of the correction. And for now, the impulse of that rocket launch hasn't ended yet. However, small correction is more likely now. The price skyrocketed too far from moving average, bulking into strong level. You see how far price went from moving average and how strong this level is. High volumes demonstrates that the level is really strong. And here the traders make their decisions collectively. Another argument for short correction. Let's see smaller time frames. Another argument for small correction is formation of head and shoulder. That demonstrates us the weakness of price movement, of price action, and I really expect the small correction with further activity, with further uptrend activity. We see how steep is price momentum. Let's see. 4 hours time frame or even 1 day time frame. Let's see how steep slope that looks like a great impulse to the absolute historical highs. But for now the fuel is over. For short period the price rebounding from the level of support that previously was the level of resistance, March 12th. For now the price will consolidate above this level, making a chainsaw with further two scenario. The price will hanging around this level with further impulse, where is no obstacle for the price movement except the further lack of demand. Another scenario is correction to the trend line somewhere here, where buyers will load new positions, and then we will see the new impulse forming the triangle here with further breakthrough with no obstacles. Let's move next. Gazprom. I would like to pay attention to the fact how long the consolidation could last. Yes, from May 2012 to March 2019, sorry, the instrument has been accumulating the buyer's fuel to show us the incredible flight. Then see the correction, how strong it was. However, taking into account financial statement and the lifetime of so long consolidation, the further movement is more likely to be upward, but with huge corrections specific for this instrument. Now let's take a look on younger time frames, smaller time frames. The breakthrough of the level that was the highest resistance zone in 2019, with further weakness of the price motion, of the price momentum, you see the rounding of the trend. It means that demand is slowing down, but the significant level was broken. More likely that this is the beginning of new consolidation above this level, above the level of 277.45. The price is probably hanging around there, accumulating power, proving buyers that this is the new optimal prices for long, and go up to refresh this level. This more likely scenario for Gazprom. The most interesting part, Tesla. Many experts today compare Tesla with Apple's success in relation to brand power. People are ready to buy their products at any price. Taking into account increased investments in Tesla and Biden's agenda and policy on green energy products, Tesla really calls the shots. So let's see the graph. All the attention of traders is concentrated on this formation, triangle, a part of huge correction and a part of getting rid of weak players and taking away their positions by solid market players. You see the volumes are getting lower. It means that the correction is still in progress and the price is in a free range between significant levels. However, it's close to moving average and lower side of the triangle, strong resistance. Now we are waiting the volumes to rise and positions are loading before the instrument skyrocketed. The 38% of FIBA level will be extremely good point for conservative players, for conservative traders to buy. This price will be cheap enough to attract buyers and initiate a new uptrend. I see no factors making price go below this level, below the lower side of triangle, namely 566 or around that. And I think the 50% of FIBA correction levels will be the good point for buyers to go long, of course after the correction. And I think the best place for long position will be at this point, and the first aim is around 780. And I would like to remember that it's essential to observe some financial figures on the company while making such a forecast. However, we are going to make another video to show you what figures are really matter to look through if you are interested. and your analysis should be always diversified, but the two main factors are understanding market mechanics from the angle of buyers and sellers and scrutinizing some financial statements of the company you choose. Thank you for your attention, be careful and have a good trade. Don't forget to ask questions and give you ideas on what you want to analyze next time. See you.